Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share something really important. This has happened with someone, and when I followed up with them I got some valuable information and I'm going to share it with you. So guys, you know that for OCI application nowadays it's mandatory to surrender your voter ID and ration card in India. While ration card is not something really common, many people nowadays don't have it, but voter ID is very common, especially if you have reached legal age in India before you moved out. Okay. So, in order to surrender it, there is an easy online way that is called Form 7 that you can fill it up online. I have already made a video about it, that's fine. But it also depends upon the officer, like your jurisdiction officer or whatever term you say that covers the region where your address is. Ideally, the process is like when you submit it, it goes to them, they do the verification, right? They should call the number, they should visit the place or any other verification. They may even ask for further documents if they want to. But with one of the persons, I know what happened. Like they just did nothing. They were just sitting on it. Okay. So when they followed up, he said, how would we do? There's no document attached. Then the response was, there's no place to attach document. And if you really needed the document, why didn't you call on the number provided or visited the address or email or anything? His response was, sorry, we don't do that. Well, I won't go much into the details, but this is a suggestion. Like when you submit it online, contact your relatives or friends in India who can actually follow up with the office after where your address is. I mean, relevant office over there that deals with the voter ID card, and ask them, hey, this was the application number. You can also send them a copy, or anyway, it's gonna be in your email. Like when you apply online, you get the acknowledgement that you can download, so you can send it as an attachment, and then they can take a printout and go to the office. Okay, this application was filed. What is the status? Do you really need any document, or do you really need any verification or information? Tell us, we can do that. Well, the best thing to share that is your foreign passport, right? If you have acquired nationality of any other country, that passport should be enough to take your voter ID privilege, right? Because India does not require what do you call? India does not allow dual citizenship, dual nationality. So when you surrender your Indian passport, you acquired foreign nationality. I think these two documents should be more than enough. So you can always ask your relatives to find out what's going on, and then that should help. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So make sure you follow this step. Otherwise, I don't know want to say and anything negative, but yeah, make sure you follow this step. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.